everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. I'm Katie Mixon and I love helping busy moms to find ways to declutter and organize their lives so that you can spend less time cleaning and organizing and more time actually living the life that you want to live. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 10 things you can declutter during or for the month of October. We're officially in the fall season. Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas are all around the corner. And so these are some things that you can declutter now to help create a simpler life as the holidays approach. The first thing that you can be decluttering this October is any costumes that you're not going to be using. If you have costumes from your kids that are too small, from years past, this is a great time to declutter those. You can donate them. You could probably sell them on Facebook Marketplace to other moms who are looking for those costumes for their kids for this year. If you're not already a member of your local Buy Nothing group, I highly recommend checking those out. They're a great way that you can gift things to people local to you, which can be a huge help when you are decluttering your home. You can also sometimes find things secondhand on there that you may be needing. So if you haven't joined that already, definitely check and see if you have one in your local area. Keep in mind that this is the time when people are looking for costumes, and so any old dress-ups as well that may not fit your kids anymore. Even if you don't personally celebrate Halloween, this is a great time to be giving those to people who will give them a second life. The second thing that you can declutter is decor that you aren't excited to be putting out. Similarly to costumes, this is when people are looking for fall decor. So if you've already decorated your home, or if you're just now getting to decorating it, maybe there's a few things that you just weren't really excited to see this year. Maybe your style has changed, or maybe you picked up some new pieces that you really love. So keep in mind that other people might be looking for exactly what you didn't love. It's a great time to gift those items or to sell them if you're looking for a little bit of extra cash going into the holiday season. The third thing that you can declutter is your summer clothing. Now, depending on where you live and if the weather has turned yet or not, this may slightly vary, but where I live, the weather has definitely now shifted from summer into fall. We do still have some warmer afternoons, so we are doing more layers in the morning and evenings. However, any clothing of mine or the kids that is distinctively summer clothing, I've been able to go through and either pack away for next year or sell or donate if I know for sure it's going to be too small. Anything from your personal closet that you didn't love or wear this summer can also be decluttered, unless of course you're going through a closet transition such as a pregnancy or postpartum where you just have no idea what size you're going to end up being when you get through it. You're probably good to let go of some of those pieces that you didn't love and wear this summer. The goal is for at the beginning of next summer, when you get out those warmer weather clothing, to be really excited and feel good about yourself and your closet, and to not be immediately discouraged by the pieces that you're bringing out. The fourth thing that you can declutter is your kitchen. So this may seem like a big project, so definitely choose a smaller section to break it down into. But again, the holidays are around the corner. Thanksgiving is coming up in about a month-ish. And you probably have an idea of if you are going to be hosting any of those holiday events in your home or not. This is a really good time to get your kitchen decluttered and organized in preparation for that. And even if you know for sure that you will not be hosting or you will not be cooking or baking anything, you can still go through your cabinets and drawers and just see if there's anything that ended up in there that maybe doesn't need to be there or that you've never ever used, and just prepare your kitchen for the oncoming season. If you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to like this video below and subscribe to my channel. If you ring that little bell button, you'll actually get notified every time I upload a new video so that you don't miss out on any of my content. I really appreciate each and every one of you being here and watching my videos, so thank you so much for that. And let's continue with the decluttering tips. The fifth thing that you can declutter this October is your makeup. Many of us subtly change our makeup shades or colors as we leave the summer season behind and enter into the colder months. So if you have any makeup empties or any colors that were more summery that you didn't love, now's a great time to transition your makeup into the fall and winter season. Similarly, number 6 is to declutter your skincare. Anything that you've never used or didn't love or didn't work for your skin. Any empty containers, now's a great time to go through and declutter your skincare and make sure that you have everything on hand that you're going to need for your skin as we enter the colder months. Number 7, go through your bug spray that you've been using for the summer season. Declutter any empty or expired containers. Anything that will be expired by next summer when you'll need to use it again, you can go ahead and get rid of as well. And similarly, number 8 is your sunscreen. Check those expiration dates. I had no idea that sunscreen expired as quickly as it actually does. So be sure to get rid of any that is already expired or that will be expired before you use it again. The 9th thing that you can declutter is your yard. Put away any summer items and just prepare your yard for the winter. This can be as simple a project or as complex as you desire. If you want to go through your shed or your garage as well, absolutely you can go through that and organize it and get it all ready for the colder months. But at the very least, just go through the things that are out in your yard and see if there's anything broken that needs to be thrown away, anything that your kids have outgrown that you could sell or donate, or anything that should just be put away for the winter. The 10th thing that I want to encourage you to declutter as we move into the fall and winter months is your living or family room. As the weather gets cooler, you'll probably be spending more time inside than outside. And so create this space to be that cozy living area that you can really enjoy throughout the fall and winter season. I'm not strictly talking about decor here, although you can bring out your throw blankets or your seasonal pillows or things like that. But if you just give this room a good declutter, get everything organized and tidied and cleaned up, it'll be a much more peaceful area for you throughout the fall season. Well, those are 10 things that you can declutter this month. I hope you enjoyed these October declutter ideas. Comment down below if there are things that you would add to this list that should be decluttered or organized in October. I always love hearing your ideas as well, as I usually am ending up doing these things as I create these videos. Again, don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to my channel. It means so much when you do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video.